Are you also one of those trying to lose weight fast, like 5, 10 or 15 kilos in few days or weeks? Then you must watch this video, because today I am going to talk about extreme weight loss and the side effects it can cause. But before I start, if you're new here, then I am Rashmi Cherian, registered dietitian and sports and exercise nutritionist. So today's topic is very important because this rapid or quick weight loss suggestions and advertisements are all over around, specifically by unprofessional nutritionists and fitness enthusiasts. And a lot of people just run towards these advertisements looking for quick fixes and shortcuts for weight loss without even realizing the amount of damage it can cause to their health. And according to a lot of experts, half a kg to 1 kg of weight loss per week is healthy and safe, but losing more than that is too fast and can put you at risk of many health problems. So let's understand, how does someone lose weight fast? Well, there are so many ways, but the most common ways are either consuming less calories and or burning more calories like exercise. But people often prefer the option of consuming very low calorie diet, as I guess losing weight through diet is much more easier than exercise. But this kind of weight loss is not recommended. In fact, it's dangerous for your body and can be detrimental to your health. Rapid weight loss can increase the risk of many health problems, especially if you follow a quick weight loss diet for a longer period of time. So it's very important to be aware of the dangers of extreme weight loss before you start any diet, so that chances of quitting are reduced. So today I am going to share 10 most severe dangers of extreme weight loss. Number 1, nutritional deficiencies. Extreme weight loss deprives your body of the essential nutrients that are very important for many functions in the body. Many nutrition plans cut out whole foods, which means you might be missing on key nutrients, vitamins and minerals that are required for a healthy body. Like for example, in a low carb diet, you will not get enough fiber. Similarly, dairy-free diet can result in calcium deficiency. So even on a low calorie diet, make sure you are getting your calcium, iron, vitamin D, B12, folate and all other essential nutrients. Danger number 2, loss of muscle mass. In slow, steady weight loss program, fat burns and muscle grows. But if you cut calories too quickly for quick weight loss, then muscle loss happens. So what happens is, in low calorie diet, your body uses muscles for energy and fuel. As a result, your muscles get weaker, due to which your day-to-day activities like climbing stairs, carrying grocery gets difficult. So even if your weighing scale shows nicer number, your quality of life will not be nice. And muscle loss also slows your metabolism. And this brings me to my next danger, which is slow or poor metabolism. Rapid weight loss occurs when you create calorie deficit. For example, if you suddenly shift to 800 to 1000 calorie from 2000 to 3000 calorie diet you were consuming. So as a result of calorie deficit, your body gets into starvation mode. And as a result, your metabolism slows down in order to conserve more energy, and your body will store this energy as fat. So slow down and do not cut more than 500 calories per day to lose weight. Another side effect of extreme weight loss is loose skin. If you lose a lot of weight too fast, your skin will lose its elasticity and you might end up with loose or sagging skin on the arms, legs and abdomen. Now this loose skin doesn't have any health consequences, but it may cause mental stress. And there are only 2 options to tighten up your skin. One is surgery and the other way is to build extra muscles, which can happen only through right eating and exercise. Now it's up to you the option you want to choose. Another danger of extreme weight loss is drop in energy levels. Now we don't need rocket science to understand this side effect, because insufficient calorie consumption will lead to low energy levels. Along with physical tiredness, you will also get mental tiredness tiredness, and that affects your productivity and mood. Next danger is dehydration. In the initial few weeks of weight loss program, especially on a low carb diet, you mostly lose water weight, and that's how you notice quick weight loss. But the problem is rapid weight loss can cause dehydration, and you will not believe, when you are dehydrated you lose less weight as the body cannot burn fat when dehydrated. So make sure you are hydrated well and watch out for signs of dehydration like constipation, headache, muscle cramps, low energy, dark yellow urine, and irritability. Another side effect is gallstones. Generally, obesity is associated with increased risk of gallstones, but very low calorie diet also increases the risk of gallstone formation, because during rapid weight loss, body metabolizes fat, and this causes the liver to secrete extra cholesterol into bile, forming stones. Also, fasting decreases gallbladder movement. As a result, bile becomes over-concentrated with cholesterol, forming stones. Another side effect of rapid weight loss is liver damage, and that may be due to sudden change in fatty acid profile post weight loss. Next side effect is depression. Quick weight loss can also cause psychological consequences. So what happens is, when you set a weight loss goal, like if I lose this much weight, I will be happy, or I will go for a vacation, or I will plan a kid. But if it doesn't happen, then it can affect your mental health and can lead to body image issues. Also, rapid weight loss is quite addictive, encouraging people into disordered eating behaviors. And at number 10, I have a list of few other side effects of quick weight loss, like irritability, headache, fatigue, dizziness, hair loss, then dull skin, and irregular periods. Remember, the dangers of quick weight loss increases with the amount of time spent on such diet, and my suggestion would be to opt for slow, steady, and healthy weight loss, which might not sound interesting, but that's the best way to lose weight. Focus on maintaining balance, opting for moderation in your food choices and exercise. And above all, figure out why you want to lose weight, or what was the real motivation. If the reason is just to fit into a dress for an upcoming event or for a vacation, then trust me, your goal is not about weight at all. Remember, weight loss has to be a holistic lifestyle approach that needs to happen over a period of time. And staying on track for weight loss is a challenge, but it's not impossible if you focus on doing it the right way. So for weight loss, most important thing is to take things slow with your calorie deficit, and don't expect to lose your weight overnight by looking for shortcuts. Shortcuts don't work. And with all these things, make sure to stick to general healthy eating principles in order to avoid negative effects on your health. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you soon.